Hello, my name is Stefan Scheiper of Industrial Scientific. I'm the Regional Product Manager for Europe. I would like to introduce you to the Tango TX1, which is a single gas H2S monitor with two sensors that look for a single gas.
Let's unbox a Tango TX1 and see what accessories are inside. You pick the Tango TX1 from the cover and remove it. Then you open up the inside of the box to see the final test report and the quick start guide of the Tango TX1. You have the tubing for the calibration cap and for doing manual calibrations with the Tango TX1 and the pump testing.
I would like to make you familiar with the features of the Tango TX1. On top, you can see the two sensors detecting H2S. You have three sides to detect the gas from the front, from the side, from the top, on both sides of the instrument. In the middle, there is the speaker, which basically gets you the audible alarm from the instrument. This is the left button is the button to switch on the instrument, and the right button is the select button to select an option or a function that you want to use. On the back side of the instrument, you can see a clip that allows to fix the instrument to a bag or a clip or something like that, where you basically can wear it and as expected by the company policies. To start the instrument, you press and hold the left button. The LCD will switch on. You can see that all segments of the LCD are shown to test them. You will see the background lighting and the LED coming up. After that, the firmware version is going to be displayed, which can be 2.1, 3.0 or any higher firmware. The next calibration date is going to be displayed with the next screen, and the alarm settings for low alarm, for high alarm, the calibration gas concentration, the TWA alarm and the STEL alarm settings are displayed. After the beep, the instrument is ready for use. During operations of the Tango TX1, you can use the left button to toggle the screens. This is the standard reading screen where you can see the readings of the actual gas monitoring. The next one is indicating the time. The next one is indicating the next calibration date. The next one is the peak, so basically the highest reading you have had over a given period of time. In order to clear it, you press and hold the right button. This is the TWA alarm, which is basically an alarm weighted over 8 hours of your working day. The STEL alarm is a short-term alarm for 15 minutes over the last time that you have been measuring. And you go back to the main screen, which happens automatically after a while, or you basically just toggle pressing on the left button back to the main screen. Prior to the use of the Tango TX1 gas monitor, you have to make sure that the protective cover on the display is removed, that a calibration using the automatic calibration station is being performed. The test report, the factory test report that's in the box of the instrument, assures that the instrument has been quality checked and calibrated at factory level. As the environmental factors in your regions are different, you definitely need to perform a calibration first before using it. On top of the instrument you can see the LEDs that give you the visual alarm indication. For testing I will activate them now. So you can see that there are two red LEDs at the corner of the instruments and one blue in the middle. Low alarms would be indicated by blue and red LEDs, plus an audible alarm plus vibration. The high alarm would be indicated through red LED only, vibration and an audible alarm. On the display, you typically would just see the readings, the check mark and the H2S indication as well as the ppm. On the lower part of the display, if the calibration is overdue, it's going to be indicated here with a check mark and with a exclamation mark and a schedule information and a cylinder with a C in it for calibrations. If there is an SE with a number, please give the instrument for service, then there is something wrong with the sensors. If there's any other error message on the screen, please give it to service as well.